up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, 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 get the guns out. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. You can't fuck with this, don't even try. Just when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die.
Hello everybody, in today's video we'll be taking a look at my handmade Transformers Rise of the Beast Terrorcon Scourge figure. So let's get started. In terms of detail, taking a look at the head, the mask is packed with a lot of detail and I made it look as movie accurate as possible. The chest mostly comprises of the bull bar of the truck, so once we transform this figure it will come into play. The shoulders form the front of the truck, and I sculpted a few Autobot, Decepticon and Terracon symbols on his right shoulder. So in the movie he collects these as trophies and he welds them to his shoulder. In his right hand, so the right hand is a blaster that can shoot a projectile. His left hand has a removable blade. This is the blade that he used to stab Bumblebee in the movie. His legs have a lot of mechanical detail in them. So the legs also include some armor panels. Most of the truck parts lie on his back. Now the backpack comprises of most of the circuitry, so there's a circuit board in that and also a speaker. So in terms of articulation, this figure has a rotation in his head. His hands can rotate. Now there are two hinges in the hands, one's at the shoulder, the other one's to a little further away from the shoulder, right here. They can also rotate. There's a single hinge on the elbow, and the right hand actually has this claw articulation, you could say. Each claw moves in and out. The left arm, it's a normal hand right there. The thumb can rotate and each finger can individually move. There is nothing in the torso because of the battery. Then the legs can kick out till there, sideways. That there's thigh rotation, single hinge in the knee and hinge in the foot. This figure has three features. The first one being light up eyes. So the eyes glow yellow and this feature looks awesome in the dark. The second feature is a speech feature basically, so he can talk. So when I press this button here and keep it pressed, he'll say a word, he'll say a dialogue from the movie. The third feature is he can transform. Of course, he's a transformer. So let's take a look at the transformation.
Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with this, don't even try. Just when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die. Shit for the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, 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 get the guns out. wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. You keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, quick clip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies into place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with me, so don't even try. Cause when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die. Pulling up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. You keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama.